Hey guys, what's up? I'm back here. You're wondering why I've been offline or like why I've been doing upload videos? Because I've been doing offline marketing. I've been going out, networking, talking to people, and go out there and build relationship, engaging with people. It's just that I don't want to use social media anymore. So many downfalls with social media. People getting mental health, and it's a lot of it's saturated. Everybody trying to be streamers. Everybody want to be influencer. Everyone want to do this stuff. Like, no, I don't want to do. I don't want to be relying on social media build my business doesn't work. I haven't got any customers. I haven't connected with anyone, so I rather use offline marketing face to face to build my foundation of to build my business, like interacting with people. Everywhere you go meet people, go to networking events, doesn't matter where it is, or going to the grocery store, striking a random conversation with strangers, and that's how you build your business. Going out there and just build your business. You need to, because in any kind of business, you have to work with people, learn how to interact with people, be an entrepreneur, take risks, and go out there and just talking to people, building relationship, engaging with people. So I found that works better than online marketing, and it's a lot of saturated market on a computer. Like, you can make all the videos you want, you can do like those videos, you can blog all you want, but if you want long-term success, it's better to do offline marketing, because you do things for the people and you're actually interact with people, have a community of people. That's how the Japanese people in Okinawa live long. Cause you have a group of people, community of people, we the people, helping each other, looking out for one another. Because if you use the social media, like you're just you'll have no interaction with another human. You can go on Zoom, but what happens if Zoom ban you or go out of business, or only show some platform, why they demonetize you, ban your account? You never know without knowing. So you cannot rely on those platforms. And the way you rely on yourself is like going back to the old school way. Like, people back in the day didn't have no cell phone. Back in the days, they have to hunt for food or communicate with each other. In case of a natural disaster, you have to um, get a get people together, unite together, and then look out for each other and build a family based on community, helping each other out. Because a lot of people tell me, it's like, oh, you should do more YouTube videos, TikTok. Nah, they made it worse. All these social media, they're making it worse. You have to have a lot of views, you got a lot of hits. I was like, I don't care about it. It doesn't work for me. So, but more to the majority of my people, even I connect with a business owner. They still go to the old school fundamentals of offline marketing, going out there, just talking to people. Everywhere you go talk to people, go to out of state, you build connections, build relationship, engage with people. So that's I'm getting results with it. Just been connecting with so many people, like FIFA player, retired FIFA players, soccer players, and I saw like the NBA player. Just a phenomenal meeting, like different business owners from different industries. So, which is exciting, and I'm feeling good, and I'm fired up for my event, a health and wellness workshop, because no one's couldn't do workshops. Like, people want knowledge. I don't care about social media. People want to be at an event so they can engage with people, build a community of people, and educate people. Even the firefighter, I guess the first responder, come to the event. A lot of people coming to the event and to improve their health, because 2026 is not going to be a good year. A lot of business going out of business, and people's credit cards, they're in credit card debt, and they're financially stressed. They bought a Christmas gift. You got to find ways to make extra money, like starting a business. Go out there and provide a product or service that solve people's problem, and it's gonna get better in 2027. So you gotta work hard, grind, and don't give up, sacrifice. Go out there, make connections, and strike up compensation with people, and do business with people that really cares about what your morals. If they have something similar, like-minded, if they care about the health, those people, you can do business with them. So I'm super so excited. I got my flyers in the mail already, and just went to Sprouts. Nothing is on sale. Everything is still kind of expensive right now. Groceries still expensive, but other than that, celebrating with my family. Had a great time for Christmas, and then New Year's. I'm excited for New Year's. Going to get dinner with my family, my mom's side of the family and stuff like that. So pretty exciting, and just pass out those flyers, and then pass it to the first responder, firefighter, and the wildfire victims, and improve their health, Anything is possible if you put your mind into it and execute and take action, and then you'll get the results that you want in life. Because nothing will come easy. It's gonna get harder. Life's gonna get hard, tough. So you better work hard, because nothing is come easy in life. So you gotta take action now. Don't wait till New Year's, because most people who have New Year resolution, they fail and stuff like that. So my dad been taking the supplement. I've been taking the supplement. I feel great. So more things to come, and then gotta help more people and share the message for people. Health is wealth, and improve your quality of life. I'll see you guys soon, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be making more videos on YouTube anymore, on TikTok, since I'm just gonna be a lot of things going on, and I'm gonna travel to another state, have more health and wellness workshop in another state. So I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.